Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out gift cards on the Bidali application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the gift cards button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the gift cards available in your selected country. If you want to change your country, just tap on the current one at the top of the page below gift cards. Here you can find all of the available options you can choose from. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page and type in your region and your country. As you tap on it, you will be able to find all of the available gift cards. Here you have categories that you can choose from, such as coffee. Tap on the gift card and here you can select the amount, check out the details and so on. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.